What if I told you Koenigsegg's newest creation doesn't just break records, but completely reshapes what a road-legal hypercar can be? Today, you're not just watching another premiere, you're about to witness the arrival of a machine so extreme and so advanced that seeing it in motion barely feels real. Meet the Koenigsegg Sadairs Spear, a hypercar built with a staggering 1,625 horsepower V8, ultralight carbon construction, and aerodynamics so aggressive they allowed it to outperform the Jesko attack at the legendary Gotland Ring. In this video, you'll discover the secret engineering behind its unbelievable speed and why only 30 people on the planet will ever experience this masterpiece in person. Before we jump in, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss moments like this. Get ready. The excitement begins right now. Prepare to be amazed from the very first second. Christian von Koenigsegg is inspired by a force that seems out of this world. It drives him to create vehicles that are faster, crazier, and more destructive than all before this vehicle. The latest vehicle from Koenigsegg does not just exceed the limits, it destroys the limit. It is the most stylish vehicle on the market today. However, for all of the hype of the outside, the Koenigsegg is also an extraordinary piece of engineering ingenuity. The Koenigsegg Sadairs Spear builds upon the legacy of the 2019 Jesko attack by enhancing and improving all of the reasons for the legend of the Jesko attack. The Jesko attack had 1,600 horsepower. Now, the Koenigsegg Sadairs Spear has 1,625 horsepower when using E85. In addition, the vehicle is now 77 pounds lighter. Therefore, this puts this performance vehicle in the fast lane to be one of the quickest launching vehicles available for sale. How can something this intense and extreme be road legal? Well, only Koenigsegg could pull that off. The Sadairs Spear is no ordinary supercar. With a pedigree dating back to the 1970s, it's named for the horse that Christian's father, Jesko, rode in his final race. The Sadairs Spear has a monstrous 5-liter twin-turbo V8 engine paired with Koenigsegg's innovative light-speed transmission. There is no conventional gear shifter. As with most of Koenigsegg's other vehicles, the Sadairs Spear has steering wheel-mounted paddles that allow you to change gears instantaneously. The body of the Sadairs Spear is made entirely of carbon fiber and uses a monocoque design. The two-seater has a removable hardtop, has been fitted with upgrade brakes and suspension components, and features wider tires to grip the road. The Sadairs Spear has been designed to dominate on the track, utilizing Koenigsegg's latest advances in aerodynamics, engine mapping, and weight reduction. The new aerodynamic package contains various features to produce increased downforce and enhanced cooling. These features include an active double-blade rear wing, underfloor strakes, larger hood vents, and aggressive canards, all working in concert to keep this beast grounded. Finally, the Sadairs Spear has an unbelievable amount of torque, 1,106 pound-feet, 1,500 Newton-meters to be exact, which is available to you as soon as you press on the accelerator. Have you ever seen a machine so powerful that it makes everything else look like child's play? The Sadair Spear is a machine that inspires awe and demands your full attention. Despite weighing only 3,054 pounds, a tremendous amount of fuel for a vehicle with this kind of velocity, the Sadair Spear has broken the mythical 1-to-1 ratio of horsepower to weight. The performance of the Sadair Spear far exceeds anything else available and pushes the bar even further. During its peak performance, the Sadair Spear can reach an incredible speed of 224 miles per hour. At this velocity, the Spear will feel less like a car and more like a comet falling from the sky. Most breathtaking machines would envy the enormous speed achieved by the Sadair Spear. However, it does not stop there. It obliterated the previous record for speed set by the Jesko attack at the Gotland ring test circuit in Sweden by over 1 second, 1.1 seconds. Therefore, it is not only fast but extremely efficient. Every refinement, every improvement, every whisper of aerodynamic mastery contributed to the Sadair Spear's victory, thereby ensuring its instant legend status among other vehicles. The ongoing evolution of the cooling system of the Spear is being developed by a new advanced engine intake design that provides better breathing capabilities to the motor than previously was available under extreme operating conditions. In extreme heat situations, the new Spear also benefits from a redesigned oil cooling system that keeps the engine oil cool, thereby allowing the engine to perform at its highest level under these demanding conditions. The combined features of the Sadair Spear turn it from merely a car into a full-fledged experience for anyone who has an appreciation for speed. The Spear invites both new and experienced car lovers alike to appreciate the amazing combination of art and the highest level of technology. It stretches and tears the limits of the automotive industry, while simultaneously creating a new era of the automotive community that will endure for generations to come. Anyone who has the opportunity to see the Spear is immediately touched by the fire that begins a lifelong passion for machines that defy the limits of the known physical world and inspires a new vision of greatness through bold creativity and imagination. Thus, the Sadair Spear does not just move away and disappear into the distance, but instead, it disappears like a tale becoming a myth, leaving behind the fading sound of thunder and the indication of more greatness to come. The Sadair Spear is a testament to the existence of the spirit of speed and continues to inspire a desire for more amazing achievements from mankind. It shows that human imagination continues to exceed all limits and that this creativity continues to be supported through the development of machines that elicit the same kind of inspiration that no other medium can provide. The Sadair Spear is not merely another automobile. It is also a beacon of possibility and inspires every dreamer who has ever desired to connect the exquisite and unbridled power of an automobile to the thrill of riding on the edge of a dream. The story of the Sadair Spear should remind us that there is much more to learn from the world of automotive artistry, as each masterpiece opens the door to future masterpieces. If you have felt your pulse quicken at all through this fast lane adventure, please don't leave without a shout out of like to motivate us to do another video. Press the subscribe button to become part of a larger group of speed junkies and click on the notification bell so you will always know about the next chance to experience something incredible. Feel free to pass this on to anyone who could use a little pick-me-up and let us know which segment of the Spear inspired your creativity in the comment sections below. Your input helps keep this engine revving